Hey guys, I'm Silwolf and I'm here at the Furby shelf because our bayandmay-doo, who is one of my subscribers, has given me a fun fact. It's also a video idea as well. So, our bayandmay-doo says Furby Connects have personalities. I know it's unbelievable, but I've got footage to prove it. Their eyes don't flicker when they change, they just do it. You can tell in which personality your Furby Connect is from the reactions to petting, pulling tail and feeding. Maybe more, but I'm not sure. An evil Furby Connect will complain, growl and warn you when you pet it, but will laugh when you pull its tail or feed it. A hyper Furby Connect will love being shaken and will say things like, "Hold on to car hat, woo!" It also likes being fed and tickled. A jolly Furby Connect will ask for food even if it's full, and will like being rocked and will say things like, "Haha, burger belly." The diva Furby Connect will ask for you to play music for it, and it will say things like, "No music, I rather sleep." There's probably many more, but the feature is pretty hidden and unclear. Hasbro probably never got to finish the personality system, which is why it's hard to experiment with it. Hope my fact interested you. So yeah, the fact did interest me. Just put my phone down there because I was reading from it. So this goes back to when I was doing the debugging on the Furby Connects. So basically, we found people who debugged them did find some coding in them, and we think, because of the totem pole in the Furby Connect app, that Hasbro is thinking about releasing sleep masks which would change their personalities. So the personalities were written into them. How much of that coding still existed, I'm not sure. And also it could have just been like the start of the coding and they just never went on any further with it, or it could have been kind of like an unlockable coding, whereas it was all there, hidden away, but you just had to kind of unlock it with the sleep mask or something like that. Some people got their Furby Connects to actually sort of be these personalities. I think there was a pirate one, and I think there was a ninja one, and I think also a sleepy one. But it just never happened, I'm guessing because Furby Connect didn't prove to be as popular as they hoped, and so they just kind of didn't do anything more with it, which is really sad because I think putting different sleep masks on them to change their personalities was quite a neat idea. And also it was nice in that these Furbies wouldn't just wake up if you moved to them or whatever like the ones before. It was nice that they kind of had an on-off switch as well with the sleep masks. So yeah, if you've heard me reading the description of them, have a go with your Furby Connect, see if you can spot any sort of likely personalities or different ways they behave according to how you treat them. I'd noticed some of these things, but I just kind of didn't think much of it because I just thought it was the Furby Connect doing its thing, you know. And when I first got mine, of course, the app worked, and I thought it was just reacting to the app accordingly. But I will have a little go with mine and see what else I can find out. So, because the others before had 5 personalities, I'm guessing these ones have 5 personalities, even if they are a little bit difficult to sort of like to find or see the behaviour of the Furby Connect. I think there's a lot more to these guys than meets the eye, I guess, because they never really finished them, and it's pretty sad because I thought they had a lot of potential. But Hatchimals came out, and it was similar with the 2005 Furbies. Furriel Friends came out, and so the Furbies just got kind of forgotten because there was more exciting stuff on the market. Hatchimals has gone on to do lots of things, whereas poor old Furby just kind of disappeared again. I'm hoping that at some point Furby will come back, but who knows. So that's just an interesting little point for this video, and I think it's quite neat how these guys kind of have personalities hidden away. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, if you've noticed anything like this as well, because I'd like to know. So that's all for this video. If you want to check out my Etsy and Nimbundle stores, I still have the sale going on in my Etsy store at the moment with the plushies and things. Or you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi if you so wish. Someone's just come in the room. It's my dad. Hello, Dad. He's not saying anything. But that's the end of the video anyway, so stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silwolf signing off.